today we got a new fixture today, right? My concept, the two-part jump concept, where you do everything on one station. Now before, I don't know if I got a picture of it. Now before, this used to be a two-part fixture, where you have to take up this Bancroft as well as that one down there. I don't know if you can see that, clipboard on it. So now the way that I decided to get a design, you can do everything right here, which cuts down on labor, cuts down on cycle time, and it helps the company improve their money or whatever you want to call it. So the two-part now goes like this. It'll weld that one. Then once it's done, you flip it over and weld that part. And then so on. So then you would take it here, hang it here, and then it will get air decay from there. So, thanks to me, let's see how this bad boy works. So we're gonna put a part in there. Let's see how it works. Bear with me. All right, we got the part loaded in there. We got the boss. Pedal. Alright. Oh, we're gonna land in like move over a little bit. Bam. Okay. Don't have to lock it down, so for this side. As you can see, I got the voltage at 17.6. Let's start that bad boy and see what happens. Sounds beautiful. It sounds like bacon. You hear that? First weld, which I think I need to adjust it, maybe move it down. This is just a trial run. You know, I'm in setup right now, so just wanted to see how it works. So now that we got that part welded, I'm gonna flip it over and do the other. Adjust it a little better. Okay, clamp this bad boy down. See how it rocks. I should have moved it down, so I know I need to adjust that weld, but just a quickie to see how this works. Alright. And there you have it. Now before, we save so much time this way, thanks to your boy. So I just wanted to show you that. This is L. Bridges signing off, Bancroft Welding 101. Let's get it, baby.